Barbie Selena's mysterious dollhouse. Town, glittering with lights, had always been considered the most beautiful city in the world of Barbies. The stone-paved shiny streets, the balconies decorated with colorful flowers, the pink sky, and a soft fragrance drifting in the air. Truly the city felt like a dream. In the same city lived a very beautiful and brave Barbie, Selena. Her house was very beautiful, and she owned a huge, stunning dollhouse. But one thing always felt strange to Selena. Inside her dollhouse was a small pink door, a door that never opened. One night, Barbie Selena was sleeping in her room. At midnight, when the clock struck 12, Selena suddenly woke up from a faint rattling sound. She slowly walked toward the dollhouse and saw with surprise that the same little pink door was open by itself. A soft glow was coming out of the door. Selena gathered courage and stepped inside. As soon as the door closed behind her, she felt as if she had entered another world. A long corridor with golden light moving along the walls. Suddenly, a faint voice came from the end of the corridor. Go through the next door. You will find a lonely cottage there. Inside it lives the one who will guide you. Selena was startled, but she did not lose courage and walked toward the next door. As she opened the second door, she found herself standing in a forest. The sky was deep blue, the trees looked silver, and tiny fireflies were floating in the air. Far away, she saw a cottage. Small, built with old wood, standing alone as if it had been there for centuries. Selena knocked at the door. The door creaked open by itself. Inside sat an old woman. Silver hair, blue eyes, and in her hand a golden staff. I have been waiting for you, Barbie Selena, the old woman said in a deep voice. Selena was surprised. How do you know my name? The old woman smiled. Those who cross the secret door, I know everything about them. Now your first trial begins. Selena stood straight. I am ready. The old woman showed Selena a mirror filled with darkness. The pearl of light, protector of life in this forest, has been stolen. Without returning it, neither can you return to your city, nor can this magical world be saved. Selena asked, Where will I find the pearl? In the cave of shadows, where every traveler must conquer their fear. Selena's heart thumped loudly, but she agreed. By the time she reached the cave, the night had grown even darker. When she stepped inside, thick black mist spread all around her. Then she heard a rustling sound. Shadows on the walls started moving, and the greatest fear of Selena appeared before her. A huge stone falling down, about to block her path forever.
Selena panicked, but she remembered the old woman's words. Fear is only an illusion. Ignore it, and the path will open itself. Selena closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and as soon as she stepped forward, the shadow vanished. The path was clear. At the center of the cave, on a stone pillar, lay the stolen, glowing pearl of light. The moment Selena picked it up, the ground began to tremble. The cave was collapsing. She ran, dodging falling stones, finding her way through the smoke, and finally she made it out. She was exhausted, but also proud. She had succeeded. At the next door, the old woman said, To return the pearl, you must cross the eternal bridge. But the wooden bridge collapsed years ago. Selena looked at the bridge, half of it missing, with a deep abyss below. Suddenly, a gust of wind blew, and she got an idea. She lifted the magical pearl high into the air. A stream of light burst from it, forming a glowing path across the broken bridge. Selena stepped forward, The path trembled. In some places the light flickered as if fading, but she didn't lose courage and kept walking until she crossed the bridge. The old woman appeared suddenly, looking pleased. "You completed both trials, and now the hidden secret will be revealed. Go toward that door," she said, pointing to a large door. As Selena approached it, the door opened by itself. Selena walked inside and saw a beautiful palace. In the courtyard stood a handsome young man. "I am Prince Leon. The world of shadows had imprisoned me. Only the one who completed the 2 trials of the secret door could free me, and that person is you." Selena was stunned. The prince smiled. "You not only freed me, but also saved this magical world." The sky above the palace lit up. The pearl of light returned to its original place, and the whole world brightened. At last, the old woman said, "Selena, from today you are the guardian of this world, and the prince is your companion." Selena and Prince Leon both thanked her. When Selena returned to her city, Rosala Town, with the prince, her dollhouse was shining even brighter than before. The secret door was still there, and Selena knew more mysteries awaited her. But now she was not alone. Prince Leon was with her.